This is Jin Chong. He lives in Washington, D.C., and he's a chef. Jin Chong works 6 days a week, and he's always very busy. This is a typical day in his life. Jin Chong usually gets up at 7 a.m. He stretches and gets dressed. He always has a big breakfast. He often cooks eggs and makes toast. He has coffee every morning. He never drinks anything else. Jin Chong leaves the house around 8 a.m. He usually cycles, but sometimes he takes the bus. He doesn't have a car, so he never drives. Jin Chong always goes to the market before he starts work. Here, he buys fresh vegetables. He buys tomatoes, broccoli, peppers, and eggs. Jin Chong arrives at work around 9 a.m. He opens the restaurant and starts cooking. First, he prepares the vegetables. He chops onions and tomatoes.
Chicken?
Then he cooks the meat. He grills beef and chicken. For the rest of the day, Jin Chong is very busy. He doesn't have a break until 3 p.m., and he doesn't finish until 7 p.m. When he finishes, he goes home, prepares his dinner, and goes to bed. He rarely stays up late. In fact, he usually goes to bed around 9 p.m., so he's ready for another busy day tomorrow.